You probably already know that content marketing is an important way to attract clients to you rather than chase them. So why does it work for some brands but not for others? Maybe it's working for a competitor of yours, but it's not working for you. There are two important factors. Number one, you have to know your audience very well. And two, you have to know your differentiator. What is your unique sales proposition? Let's start with the audience. Just knowing the demographic of your audience is a good start, but you really want to know what is their routine. Where are they spending their time? Are they on Instagram, or are they strictly a NewYorkTimes.com or WallStreetJournal.com, WSJ.com reader? If they're on New York Times strictly, they're probably not on New York Post, so maybe that's not where you want to have your articles. Or if they're on LinkedIn and they're a C-level executive, that's where they spend most of their time, probably trying to reach them on Facebook is not the right strategy, right? So you have to really understand the routines, right? And the time that these people are spending and which platforms they are on. So make sure you know your audience. The second part is knowing your differentiator. What separates your company from your competitors? Well, what separates your thought leadership from your competitors? You have to make sure that there is a unique authenticity there. And that is something that you figure out as part of your strategy. Of course, figuring out your audience is part of your strategy as well. Once you have the differentiator and understanding your audience, now you can put the right type of content on the right platform in a way that resonates with your audience, and that is what will attract clients to you rather than you having to chase them.